Although here we need to also discuss one major and quite common misconception. The modern grey wolf is not actually the direct ancestor of our dogs. As a matter of fact, dogs and wolves are just cousins. And instead, the modern dogs descended from an ancient, now extinct population of wolves, with modern grey wolves just being the nearest living relatives. And it's really because of this extinction that trying to trace back the evolution of dogs has been somewhat difficult. Mostly because the analysis of DNA in this case makes it very difficult to trace the dog's actual lineage. But how did this bond form? And how did this partnership actually begin? Well, the real answers, of course, we'll probably never know, but the main hypothesis suggests a kind of a commensal pathway, or self-domestication. Okay, so in other words, imagine the harsh environment of the late Pleistocene, often referred to as the Ice Age. Here, a lot of humans as hunter-gatherers very likely left behind large carcasses and possibly relatively close to their camps. And so some wolves, especially the less aggressive ones, were most likely attracted to all of this and would very likely try to consume some of these carcasses as well. And so some of these wolves with certain traits, such as for example lower flight response, or possibly even more friendliness, suddenly gained this survival benefit by staying very close to humans. And while over thousands of generations, this unintentional natural selection possibly led to physical and behavioral changes, marking the beginning of the dog lineage.